Alright, hey guys, I'm Rebekah Cing, or you can call me Ting Ting or Nam Ting. Welcome back to my vlog. I will be talking about what I do here and why am I here. Probably why am I here at Keesler Air Force Base, or something about me, I guess. Well, today's Wednesday. Here at Keesler Air Force Base, every Wednesday we have open air bag. And that is when we have to change our linen and get a new one today, like afternoon. But if you have your own linen, you just have to wash it and then put it back on your bed. Yeah, I'm talking. They're all my friends over there. Say hi, y'all. Yeah, they're all my friends. We're teleworking here, meaning we do our we do our online classes here in our dorm with our own laptop. So my job is I'm a personnelist, and I love it. So we do everything on Blackboard, and Blackboard will be your best friend and be familiar with it, how to navigate through all that stuff, all the good stuff, if you're gonna be a personnelist, of course. Or not, maybe finance use it too, but I'm not sure. But as a personnelist, we use the Blackboard. Also, we use the AFIs and PSGD from the MyPer and all that stuff. But yeah, well, I don't really have anything to say that much, but that's my job. I'm kind of like repeating myself, but I don't know. Personnelist, we do we would handle making ID cards, re-enlistments, promotion, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna get into depth about it because I'm still learning about it. So yeah, but if you do have any questions, just comment down below. I'll try my best to answer your question, I guess. We're about to graduate. We have 2 weeks and some days left of being tech school here, and I'm really pretty excited about that. And I'm about to go home, see my family, see my friends, hopefully all my friends, sisters, brothers, and my mom and dad especially. I really miss them, and of course I miss my friends, like I said. But yeah, nothing much to talk about. Today's an open air bed, and my friend was like, you should vlog about that. I was like, okay, sure. Then I just started giving you guys hints on what I do here at Keesler, and you guys already know by now I'm a personnelist, so yeah, in Air Force. I hope you guys like all the videos that I have been posting. Hope you enjoy them. I hope you guys liked it and put some comments. Thank you so much, and I'll just end it here for that today. Thank you for watching it.